In a kingdom feared by fire, a mighty dragon ruled the skies. Villagers trembled. Warriors fled, no one dared to face it. But one day, a tiny kitten wandered into the dragon's cave. Instead of fear, the kitten purred and curled up beside the beast, surprised. The dragon softened, and for the first time, it felt warmth in its heart. From then on, the dragon protected the kingdom, all because a little kitten showed it kindness. Even the smallest can tame the fiercest of hearts. What do you think? Can kindness really change even the most dangerous creatures? Comment below.